So the light that you choose, and depending on the source of object that sort of is coming, you can simply place it there. Let's say, bring it up. And you're going to see that you can control the actual intensity, how bright it is. You can see the attenuation, how it spreads, and similar with the cone angle, how it's spreading, right? So this is a more sort of direct, this is more open and allows for more reach, right? You can also change the lighting on your ambiance to make it nighttime if it's easier for you to see the light and so on. So usually you place the light where the source is coming from. So in this case, right, I now have some light sources here and so on, so I can place it there. So I'm going to sort of place some lights from different sources. You can again change the ambiance to nighttime if that's going to be easier for you to see. You can play a little bit with the intensity. Usually the intensity shouldn't be too bright because it could allow it to make it too bright, but everything depends on your scene. There's no right or wrong answer for that. The one thing that should be important is shadows. Enabling shadows will allow for that light to actually reflect or create an experience that's a little bit more realistic, right? If this light didn't have shadows, right now if I was pointing it to this boots, it would just cast like a circle around it. But when I click shadows, this light will actually cast some shadows on this, which creates it more realistic. It does require more power on your computer, so your computer will start running slower, but it will look a lot more realistic, and that's what we're trying to do. So go ahead and add some lights in different areas, and then we can continue to the next step.